Hello, moms and dads, aunties, uncles, nieces, nephews, grandma, grandpa. It's Bubbuhsmom here. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new to my channel, I do toy reviews to make your life a whole lot easier. I believe in seeing the toy for what it actually looks like. Enough of the animation. All those fancy things we see in the videos. This is really the raw deal. And if you're a Gen Xer or old school like I am, I know that you're going to definitely appreciate these videos. Without further ado, today we're going to take a quick realistic look at the Hot Wheels monster truck Power Smashes Mega-Wrex. Oh my goodness. He is amazing. When I tell you this is the best investment I made for my 2.5-year-old who is almost going to be turning 3. Worth it, worth it, worth it. When I tell you I saw this and I was just like, my son is in the stage where he loves monster trucks. He loves airplanes. He just, oh my goodness, just absolutely is into cars and trucks and anything that moves fast. And so what's great about this, especially it comes in different modes. So we have the hunt mode, we got the smasher mode, and then we also have the god mode. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you an extended review of this so you can be able to see Mega-Wrex in the different capacities. So this is the remote that comes with Mega-Wrex. It's pretty easy. And it does have the controls that your 2.5 to 3-year-olds can easily maneuver. And it is really an amazing toy. So let's get into some of the stats here as well. So you can just kind of see, you know, what comes with it. As you can see here, there's a hunt mode, there's a smasher mode, and there's also a god mode with the toy, which make it interesting. One of the unique things about the Mega-Wrex is that it does recharge the battery in God mode, and I'm going to show you that in a minute as well, which is really amazing. And we've really enjoyed having this toy, and my son absolutely loves it. He plays with it every single day, and it does hold enough charge, which is one of the things that I really value in toys, particularly when it gets home from daycare, where he's been in school all day. It's just really nice for him to just have fun and engage. And so in a minute here, what I think I'm gonna show you is how you can reboot and recharge Mega-Wrex. And then I will also proceed to show you how Mega-Wrex actually functions so that you can be able to get a sense of what your child is going to be expecting with this toy. And as always, if you feel like this is the right purchase for you and your family or the loved one, there is a link in the bio, and you just click, you're able to access it and send it out. You will not be sorry. This is absolutely one of the most favorite items that I've bought my son. In the years of doing this channel, I cannot emphasize the joy that your toddler will feel, who is 2.5 years old and older, approaching 3 years of age. This is a definite must. All right, stay tuned for some more demos. So, moms and dads, aunties, uncles, nieces, and nephews. Oh my goodness. So this is Mega-Wrex charging. So what happens is, as I mentioned to you before, Mega-Wrex charges using this QR code that gives him all the power. And when he's sleeping and breathing, you can see he changes colors. So he's green now. I think that's purple. That's purple. It was blue before. He's green. And he is pink. And he's breathing to get power in him. And so this is how, and so you can kind of see Dada has connected him, ready for the afternoon play. And if I flip him, you'll be able to see. So I don't want to get him ready, get him up and pounding. But that is Mega-Wrex out there just breathing and getting all the power so that he can take charge of the universe. And that's how you charge Mega-Wrex. All right, moms and dads, I'm just going to show you real quickly how this Mega-Wrex is and how your toddler can begin to enjoy it. So the first thing I'm going to do is that blue button right there. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. And you can see Mega-Wrex comes alive. It's pretty amazing. And so he is in active mode right now. And he actually corresponds with the child, which is absolutely amazing. And so I have the remote here, and I'm gonna give you a test in Bubbuh's play area here, and you'll be able to kind of see how Mega-Wrex moves. So let's see if I got this. Hopefully it doesn't go backwards.
Hold up. Hey.
All right, here we go. So you can kind of see there, and I'm gonna see if I can move him back. So you can kind of see him as well. So he moves pretty fast, actually, I have to say. So he is a beast. When I tell you that this is really worth the investment, your toddler is absolutely going to love Mega-Wrex. And so there we go. Now, I'm gonna try and move Mega-Wrex, and he responds to every prompt, which is pretty cool. So I'm gonna see if I can get him to do any of the tricks that he is meant to do, and I'm gonna see if I can do that in this video. But he does do tricks as well. So let's see if I can get it going. That's backwards, that's forwards. And if you press the front button here, I believe, you can kind of see he gets to jump up and down, which is pretty amazing. So it's a pretty cool feature for the young person. Toddler absolutely loves it. It's a startle, but it's pretty awesome. I'm gonna see if I can do it one more time. And I'm gonna pull Mega-Wrex here. And you can kind of see the wonderful colors that Mega-Wrex has. And I'm gonna see if I got this. My son actually, who is 2, taught me how to do this. So we're gonna move Mega-Wrex back. And we're gonna use the stop button right here. And that's how you get to see Mega-Wrex kind of move in. It is pretty amazing. Hopefully that demo helps. Link in bio if you think that this is a great toy. I have to say that this is a really good investment, and I'm so glad we got it for Bubbuh.